Welcome back to our Cybersecurity Awareness Training series for Maryland farmers. I'm John Oliver, and look, I know what you're thinking. John Oliver? Talking about cybersecurity for farmers? Huh? Has the world gone mad? And to that I say, first of all, rude. But secondly, no, the world hasn't gone mad. Not totally anyway, it's just gone digital. These days, farms are more high-tech than ever, with everything from tractors to irrigation systems running on software. And just like that old tractor engine needs a tune-up every now and then, so does your software. So buckle up, grab a glass of sweet tea or whatever, and let's get updated. Software updates are like those friends who always seem to know what they're doing, even when you're completely lost. They show up with solutions before you even realize there's a problem. Hackers are like those pesky raccoons that keep getting into your chicken coop, constantly looking for weaknesses to exploit. Security patches are like boarding up those gaps, reinforcing your defenses and sending those raccoons packing. Now let's talk about something a little less terrifying than cyber raccoons' performance. We all want our devices to run smoothly and efficiently, like a well-oiled tractor on a sunny spring day. Software updates are like giving your devices a tune-up, cleaning out the digital cobwebs, and making sure everything is running as smoothly as possible. So the next time you're tempted to click, remind me later on that software update notification. Just remember, a little update now can save you a lot of frustration and slowdowns in the long run. Now I know what you're thinking, John, this all sounds very responsible and boring. Isn't there anything fun about software updates? And to that, I say hold your horses, because software updates aren't just about fixing problems and improving performance. They're also about new features. That's right, folks. Software updates often come with exciting new features that can enhance your user experience and make your life easier. So, while security and performance are crucial, don't forget about the fun stuff. Embrace those new features, explore what they can do, and who knows, you might just discover something that revolutionizes the way you farm. Now, let's talk about compatibility, because in the digital world, just like in life, it's important to make sure everything plays nicely together. Software updates help ensure that all your devices and software are speaking the same language and can communicate effectively with each other. This is especially important if you're using a mix of different devices, operating systems, and software applications. By keeping your software up to date, you're ensuring that your entire digital farm ecosystem is in harmony, working together seamlessly to help you achieve your farming goals. Now I know what you're thinking. John, this all sounds great, but I'm a busy farmer. I don't have time to constantly check for software updates. That's why I'm here to introduce you to the magic of automatic updates. Automatic updates are like having a little digital elf that works tirelessly behind the scenes, making sure your software is always up to date without you having to lift a finger. So, do yourself a favor and enable automatic updates on all your devices. Now, even with the magic of automatic updates, it's still a good practice to be proactive and regularly check for updates yourself. Think of it like checking your fences for holes, even if you have a trusty sheepdog on duty. Sometimes automatic updates might be delayed or disabled, or there might be a new update available that hasn't been pushed out automatically yet. By manually checking for updates on a regular basis, you can ensure that you're always one step ahead of those pesky cyber raccoons. Now, when it comes to software updates, it's important to remember that it's not just about your computer. We're living in a world where everything is connected, from our smartphones and tablets to our tractors and irrigation systems. Every device that connects to the internet is a potential entry point for hackers, so it's crucial to keep all your devices updated, not just your computer. Think of it like this: you wouldn't just lock the front door of your house and leave the back door wide open, would you? Now, before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with one final crucial piece of advice. Always, always, always back up your data before updating your software. Think of it like wearing a helmet when you're riding a horse. While software updates are generally safe and reliable, there's always a small chance that something could go wrong. By backing up your data beforehand, you'll have a safety net in case the unexpected happens. The important thing is to have a copy of your data stored somewhere safe and accessible. Thanks for watching. I know you're on the edge of your seats with anticipation for the next installment of cybersecurity tips for Maryland farmers. In our next episode, we'll be tackling another thrilling topic in the world of cybersecurity, one that could save you from a world of digital hurt. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And remember, in the digital world, just like on the farm, a little bit of prevention goes a long way.